Hello everyone, back with Daniswin here. Today we're gonna talk about Unreal Engine, especially about the free asset we got this month. As always, we got 5 free assets every month, and let's start with the close combat anim set. Now this asset comes with 46 animations, in place and root motions animations. You got your movements, you got your knockdowns, dodge, attack, evade, blocks, and all the good stuff under the whole 46 animations. Now you can see all the showcase of the animation in the maps that they gave you, but I want to point out some of my favorite. My most favorite one in this pack is the Naruto run or the ninja run. I don't know why they would add this, because this is something very rare, and if you like something like this, you need to get these assets. Now next, I like the evade animations, the jump and evade. They got a lot of evade animation, dodge animations, but this one is something that I like. It's unique, it's new, it's fresh, and I like it. There's a lot of great animations here, like the flip and everything. You guys can check it out on the showcase maps, and we can move on. Next, we got our Chemist House. Now this is a 3D asset where you got the props, the modular building, which you can make into something else that you want, something unique. It's fully modular, the building and the props, and it has a stylized style. So if you guys working on a stylized style game, this will be very perfect for you guys. This comes with great 1K textures, a lot of props, and even a mobile ready maps set up for you guys to use as a base. Now something that caught my attention here is the volumetric shine from the windows. It's very light because it's just a card, a plain card with the textures. And you guys can use this for all of your other projects, not just for these assets. So go ahead and check it out, because this is a very great 3D asset, fully modular and packed a lot of things in it. Next, we got Procedural Spline system. Now if you guys ever make any environment system in Unreal, you know how hard it is, you know how tedious it is, you know how unfriendly it is, and you can make your life easier with this package. This gives you a lot of ease and control over the whole thing. You can use the pre-existing asset that they give you, or you can use your own assets. It works flawlessly and easily. Next, we got Old Brick's house. Now the house itself is not modular, it's a one-piece object. This is more like a props assets rather than building asset, because the building itself is not modular and it is stated in the description, so there is no misdirections here. But at the end of the day, this is more of a props assets, and it got a lot of props. It got more than 250 props. Just props alone. It comes with a lot of texture sizes like 128, 512, 1K, 2K, 4K. It got a lot of texture sizes, so you guys can pick and choose based on your projects. Now in this package, you get a showcase maps that already built in inside the house with all the props already set up correctly. So you guys can use it as a base, or you guys can expand on it. It does come with some vegetations like ivies and grass, but it's mainly an interior prop, mostly on the vintage style. Next, we got level design toolkit. I guess this month we get a lot of environment designing assets. We got 2 3D assets, we got 1 spline system assets, and we now got this one. This is super great month for any environment building project. Now this one comes with a bunch of super useful tools for environment buildings, such as selecting 1,000 of skeletal mesh or actors with one click of a button. Pivot changer tools, hide and unhide a lot of skeletal mesh and actors in your scenes. Search by using a tag or name or static mesh and or actors in the name sections. Blueprint interaction system, button, bridge, door, elevator, notification, so you guys don't need any other assets for doing button or simple door interaction system. This comes with it already. Alignment tool, line of sight tools, calculating distance between 2 static mesh. If you guys working on any architectural visualization, this will be very useful. Grid snap tools, and way more tools that I cannot describe in this video. So you guys can go ahead and check out their web page, the marketplace page, and the package itself. It comes with a lot of tutorials that can cover every single things, like bite-sized tutorial and a lot more bigger tutorials. So it is very well documented and everything, and you guys can start using it right away. And I guess that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the next video. We talk about Blender and Unreal and any of the 3D world stuff that's happening right now. So bye!